So this doesn't run Android, does it? This is something proprietary?
No, this runs on QNX. Okay, so what you got here is through digital, through 3D navigation, and what we overlay, like with a blanket, with the Google Earth map. That's why it downloads with a 3G connection, downloads from the Google Earth server the map, and it overlays on the normal navigation map. So what you can, when you browse over here, you see that it changes height. It's really fast.
3D, yeah.
So it's so that's one thing. If you want to, but still you can run it as a normal navigation system. So I change the map to standard map, go in there, and even then you have like POIs, points of interest with a texture. You can see them as the buildings where you drive past. Okay, now if you want to put in a destination, for example, we use something what we call a touchpad. We want to put in a city. For example, we want to go to New York. It shows you here this symbol. So what I do is I put in the letters.
Oh, wow.
And
so it's got gesture recognition and character recognition.
yeah, it's like a touchpad.
Yeah.
And character recognition. So I want to use that. New York City, and for example, I want to go to Wall Street. I go to Ad Street. I go to maybe something. If I make a wrong letter, I just push it back.
I see.
It goes to, and then I can put it in L. So that's a thing that we can do. On the media side, then comes in also graphics power of the system. We've got what we call an album browser. So it downloads the pictures from the album, and you can browse the albums either by this rotary knob or also with the touchpad.
Oh wow!
You can go through there, and then you can select your album. It shows what sort of songs are on there, and then you can play them. And when it's played, it also shows the cover.
Can you play videos back while you're stopped?
Yeah. When you stop, yeah.
Yes.
We go on source, for example. I put in iRobot because with James Cromwell at the keynote today. He made the introduction.
Okay.
So of course, yeah, you can play that.
Very nice. And then of course you have the normal sort of car functionality, like seeing.
One thing from a computing side of that's really cool. You can use it as what we call a rolling hotspot. It's got a 3G connection, and you can use it as a wireless network. So here you've got this car.
That's awesome.
Has its own modem. That's why you need your own SIM card, preferably with a data flat rate.
Yeah. Is there a browser on here?
No, not on this, because basically what we thought is to integrate a browser, you have to modify it so much, especially to keep driver distraction.
Yeah.
But with this rolling hotspot, what you can do when you're sitting in the back or sitting on the passenger seat, you have your iPad or whatever, or your laptop, you connect it here, and then you can browse the internet.
Interesting. And then what about that display over there? What functionality? That's also Tegra running off of this.
No. This is a Combi cluster is different.
Oh,
what you can have like a compass, you can have a speed, you can have for example, when you go to navigation, start route guidance in demo mode.
Oh, okay.
And then it's collecting, it's calculating the route, and then it shows you the directions.
Very cool. Is there anything else you think we should see?
I think that's about it. Well, you're on the radio side.
Oh, cool.
Of course, you got
radio data and everything, and RDS.
Not for radio data.
Yeah.
We've got, of course, a Sirius satellite radio, and also as an option you can have a HD radio.
Oh yeah, nice. Wish that'd catch on more here. Yeah.
Yeah, before that I used to be responsible in Audi for radio multimedia development.
Oh, interesting.
So I started this whole HD project, which is being introduced in the US right now.
Oh, really? Wow.